3D Systems, with over 35 years in the industry, is recognized as a leading additive manufacturing solutions partner. However, according to the monthly chart, it's been a rough couple of years as price is trading near all-time lows. So if I just kind of go back to the late 90s, early 2000s, we can see that the bottom falls in that $2 to $1 range. As you can see here, buyers continue and have continued to defend that level. Scrolling to the weekly chart, clearly you can see prices in a downtrend. You have lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows. Question is, how low is price going to go? One thing to note: pivot low, support becomes resistance. All right, now before we continue with the analysis, we're going to look at this article because the bad news just keeps rolling in. The company disclosed that it received a notice on March 18th indicating that it had not filed its annual report on Form 10-K for the fiscal year ending December 31st. The delay in filing is attributed to the company's needing more time, resources, and efforts to complete its financial reporting and close procedures for the fourth quarter of the fiscal year 2023. Despite this, 3D Systems anticipates no material changes to its financial results compared to preliminary figures released on February 28th. Now, 3D Systems, again, company's portfolio spans hardware, software, materials, and services, targeting sectors such as healthcare, aerospace, defense, automotive, and durable goods. So you can pretty much use their products and services in any industry. All right, so kind of going back to the charts, this is the beginning of the article, which I didn't discuss. But they've been notified by the New York Stock Exchange of non-compliance with its listing standard due to a delay in its annual report. All right, so kind of looking at the charts, this is the weekly again. Clearly priced in an uptrend. This is the monthly chart. We know we have buyers down at $2, which is about $2.50 away from current price. To me, this looked like a nice area of interest. You know, at a rallying price, basic candle rally, and it actually worked. If I was to kind of draw this, how I would draw my weekly buyers level. And so you can see how price dipped its toes in the upper portion of the zone, shot up higher. And again, price penetrated the zone even deeper and caused a reaction. Now, I anticipate price moving lower. Why? Let's go down to the daily chart. So pretty much price has absorbed all the unfilled buy orders. And so there are no longer any unfilled buy orders, meaning that the sellers, if price continues to move lower, will overtake the buyers. All right, let's go back out to the weekly chart. And I want to analyze this area a bit more. There's really no volume here, although this level worked once and a third time, but I do not anticipate it working a fourth time. So I anticipate price eventually breaching, closing below $3.50. However, I do expect the buyers to step in big time between $1 and $2. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.